I tell people sometimes that we deal in tragedy. People don't come to our law firm unless something bad's happened to them.
They may be having some of the most difficult circumstances of their life, and they're trying to figure out how they're going to get through this.
They've done nothing wrong, and they've been dealt a really terrible hand, where now their life has been changed forever, for the worse, and we find a way to help them through that.
We get to know them in ways that very few do. In every case, there's a story. There's a real person, had real things happen to them. There's an awesome responsibility for us to listen to the client, to ensure that their story is told. I think of being that person's champion, somebody that they can call upon to do the hardest things, somebody that they trust, somebody that they can be proud of. I think about the kind of lawyer I'd want for myself, and I try to be that for every one of my clients.
I was in an accident. I was riding a motorcycle, and it's taken a long time to get through that process. If it hadn't been for Mark and Kurt and what their team did for me for getting the financial aid from the accident that I got, a thank you doesn't do enough.
When you're fighting an insurance company, they have unlimited resources to make sure that you don't recover. When you come to Zaner Law, you've got a team of lawyers and staff fighting on your side, making insurance companies accountable. We know how defense lawyers operate. We know how insurance companies think. And we've developed techniques that we're teaching across the country and across Colorado on how to create pressure points on those lawyers, on those insurance companies to do what they don't want to do. And that's come to the table with fair settlements for our clients. I'm a fighter. Mark's a fighter. Zaner Law is a team of fighters. I believe when people come into our law firm, they want a fighter. They want someone that won't back down, that will stand up to these behemoth corporations and large insurance companies that make a living and make billions of dollars in making sure injured people aren't fairly compensated.
We are really good at what we do. We don't have to compromise. We're going to do everything we can to ensure that that client wins and that there's full accountability for everything that that person has experienced.